The excitement is building for the Houston Cougars' big game against the Florida State in the Peach Bowl.
Yeah, that's morning. So this morning we have some quick food ideas if you maybe have some friends coming over to watch the big game. We have Chef Linda with us from HEB, and we are already smelling. This is like a seafood theme.
Yes.
So good.
Did a little seafood today. If you're going to start partying today and you need something quick and easy, we did some simple items, such as the little mini crab cakes. A lot of folks don't know we carry that in our seafood department. Pop them in the oven, 400 degrees. Pick up the remoulade sauce over in Cooking Connection. That's from Guido's. So this one's a real simple one here. Just pop it open. You have a quick little appetizer. But what if you want to mix something? Let's do a little crab meat.
All right, let's do it.
Southwest dip, and then pico de gallo right out of the produce. Mix those two ingredients, the whole can of crab meat, as much as pico, but I say let's go for the whole thing
You
today.
say the whole
Why
thing.
not?
All right, let's do it.
And then a little Southwest dip. So we're getting some smoky flavor in there, but not too hot. Something light, a little easy, and then some chips to go with it. Very simple.
Oh my, that's so easy, and it smells delicious.
Smells so good. Then over further, as we keep stirring that one, we have ceviche they make in store. So again, if you don't want to do a lot of fussing, go grab that, pop open some of those avocados that are on sale, put it together, you have something light, or just put it in a bowl and eat it with chips.
And the presentation is beautiful right
So
there.
gorgeous. I don't know if my avocado is going to be that perfect. All right, Andy, do you want to try?
I'm going to take a little...
Do you trust me? You can't mess this up.
You didn't burn it.
That's okay. I know, exactly. This is the one thing you cannot mess up.
And then even just the shrimp trays. They have the colossal size all the way down to small ones. So if you want to just grab a shrimp tray too, how simple to do a Southwest.
That is fantastic.
Is it so good?
No joke.
To put together?
I know. That's my kind of thing. So this ceviche, do they have different flavors, or it's a basic one?
It's a basic one.
Perfect.
So then if you want to just do the chip dipping, if you want to do the avocado, keeping it a little light because we've been eating quite heavy since the holidays. So we want to do a little seafood here. And again, remoulade sauce, crab cakes, very easy. Grab it at our seafood department and you're out in minutes, and you'll be watching that game at home, viewing the Cougs.
You'll be watching that game, and you're not going to. You won't be able to get your guests to leave with all this good
I know.
food.
I like your idea of keeping it kind of light because we all mostly overdid it, especially with Christmas and Thanksgiving.
For sure.
Thank you so much, Chef Linda. And you're going to have even more recipes for us. Of course, you can find all the information and see a replay of this interview online at click2houston.com. We're going to post it under the video tab, and you have some more ideas for us coming up for if you're a meat eater side, right?
Yes.
All right.
Looking forward to that.
Stay with us. Let's throw it over to Amy.